morning all. Today we are going to discuss about incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. So what is the meaning of incomplete dominance? Where Gregor-John Mendel conducted experiments on pea plants, according to the law of dominance, one of the parental character came in F1 generation. But where the same traits or same characters were conducted in another plants, that type of thing will not come. F1 generation did not resemble either of the parents. F1 generation resembles in between two parents. That is nothing but incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance means in between two. In between two. What is the meaning of that word, sir? Law of dominance. Law of dominance means it is completely dominant over the recessive gene. Law of dominance. Incomplete dominance means it is not completely dominant on the recessive. Not complete, incomplete dominance. It producing intermediate character. The gene which is not completely dominant over the recessive gene, the allele which is not completely over the recessive allele is nothing but incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. इसका example Antirrhinum species. Antirrhinum species. Antirrhinum species, that is nothing but snapdragon. Snapdragon. It is also called snapdragon. Or four-o-clock plant. Four-o-clock plant. Four-o-clock plant. Dog flowers of four-o-clock plant. That is Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa. These two are the example for incomplete dominance. The dominant gene is not completely dominant of the recessive. That is incomplete, incompletely dominant. So result of that, intermediate character come. Intermediate means in between two. I mean either a parent not came. It is two parents not comes. In between two only comes. That is nothing but in between two or intermediate character comes. That is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. इसका example Antirrhinum species, dog flowers of the four-o-clock plant Mirabilis jalapa. So, for example, theory question. How to ask? Define incomplete dominance. Explain with a schematic representation. Now I am going with the schematic representation. Schematic representation. So Corins conducted experiments. In a Mirabilis jalapa, dog flowers of four-o-clock plant. How, sir? So Corins conducted experiments. Corins conducted experiments on homozygous red flowers crossed with homozygous white flowers. These are the parents. Next is the genotype. What is genotype? This is not by Mendel. This is not in a pea plants. This is conducted by Corins, dog flowers of four-o-clock plant or Mirabilis jalapa. They have red flowers and white flowers. Red is the dominant, white is the recessive. So here, homozygous red flower, genotype capital R. Then homozygous white flower is small r, like that. Then genotype gametes. What is the gametes are here? Gametes. The gametes are here only homozygous condition. So only one type of gamete. Two gametes only, but one type of gamete only. That is small r. Sorry, capital R. Here also homozygous condition, so only one type of gamete, that is a small r. When F1 generation, what comes? Same, capital R, small r comes. But here capital R, small r, not red, not white. Either it is not red or neither it is not red nor white. It is in between. All are F1 generation, all plants are pink color flowers. Pink flowers, all are pink flowers. That is intermediate character. Very, very, very important. Intermediate character. Dekho here. In F1 generation, according to Mendel, either of one parent, this one or that one, anything may chance to come. But here, in F1 generation, either of the, neither this one nor that one. A red flowers are not there, white flowers are not there in F1 generation. That too, what character comes in F1 generation? In between two, red to white to when mixing. Mixing means blending. Blending characters. Okay, that is another but pink flowers. All are pink flowers. So all are pink flowers. That is intermediate character. Blending character. Question. In which of the following dominants intermediate characters came in F1? Incomplete. In which of the following having blending character came? That is incomplete dominance. All are pink flowers. Intermediate character. Blending character came. Then F1 self. Capital R, small r, cross with the capital R, small r. Iska gametes. Heterozygous na? Capital R, small r. Two types of gametes. Here also heterozygous, capital R, small r. Two types of gametes. Next, F2 generation. It combines capital R. This is combines capital R, small r. This one combines capital R, small r. This one combines small r, small r. Dekho here, a capital R means red flowers. This is nothing but capital R, small r means pink flowers. This is nothing but white flowers. Of course, when you take the Punnett square also, two types of gametes in F2 generation, capital R, small r, combines this one, capital R, when combines this one, capital R, small r, then combines this one, capital R, small r, then combines this one, small r. So when phenotypes observed, phenotypes in F2 generation, in incomplete dominance, what phenotype here? Three types of phenotypes, red, pink, white. So red is how many red? Dekho, this is one red. Pink how many? 1, 2. Pink 2. Then white how many? 1. 1 is to 2 is to 1. This is nothing but phenotype ratio of incomplete dominance. Genotype. What is genotype? ये रेड का जीनोटाइप क्या है? कैपिटल आर. ये पिंक का जीनोटाइप क्या है? कैपिटल आर, स्मॉल आर. ये व्हाइट का जीनोटाइप क्या है? स्मॉल आर. So capital R means 1, capital R, small r means 2, small r means 1. So phenotype ratio 1:2:1, genotype ratio also 1:2:1. Then percentage 25:50:25. 25%. This is nothing but incomplete dominance. So incomplete dominance here, in F2 generation, phenotypes, three phenotypes, red to pink to white, 1:2:1 ratio. Then genotype also 1:2:1. By observing this, in F2 generation of phenotype, it not come the 3:1. F2 generation 3:1 not came here. According to law of dominance, 3:1 is there, phenotype ratio. But here 1:2:1, totally different. So it is against to law of dominance. Incomplete dominance is against to law of dominance. But genotype is same. There also law of dominance, F2 generation monohybrid cross F2 generation 1:2:1 genotype. Here also genotype is 1:2:1. So I repeat here, Corins conducted experiments in Mirabilis jalapa flowers, homozygous red flowers crossed with the homozygous white flowers. Then F1 generation, neither of red flower nor white flower came. That F1 generation flowers are pink flowers, in between two intermediate character or blending character came. So intermediate character or blending character came in incomplete dominance only. Then F1 self, then F2 generation may three types of phenotypes had been observed. That is red, pink, white. So then red, pink, white 1:2:1 ratio. With a genotype also 1:2:1 ratio is a form. Then F2 generation 25% red flower, 50% pink flowers, then 25% white flowers are formed here. A law of incomplete dominance totally against to the law of dominance. Why against to law of dominance? Here F1 generation, any one parental character came in a F1 generation according to law of dominance. But here F1 generation intermediate character, in between character or a blending character came. So law of dominance again is here. In F2 generation phenotype is there is a 3:1, but here 1:2:1. What is the similarity law of dominance and incomplete dominance are? Similarity, heterozygous condition F1 generation plants are produced. Same similarity, but character not that. Then genotype of the incomplete dominance is similar to law of dominance of monohybrid cross F2 generation. Genotype percentage ratio also similar. That what is that? 1:2:1. 1:2:1. This is nothing but incomplete dominance. How question? Briefly describe about incomplete dominance with schematic means you need to do like this. Name the plant which show the incomplete dominance means antirrhinum species or snapdragon. Mirabilis jalapa, dog flowers, 4-o-clock plant. Examples that one. Then name the dominance which show the intermediate character, incomplete dominance. Which are the following having the blending character? Incomplete dominance. What is the ratio is similar in F2 generation genotype with a monohybrid cross F2 generation genotype 1:2:1. This is similarity. What is the difference between incomplete and law of dominance? Law of dominance phenotype ratio F2 generation 3:1, but here law of incomplete dominance phenotype ratio is a 1:2:1. This is nothing but incomplete dominance concept. Next, we will continue that codominance now.